Honestly, this might be one of the fastest ways to start to make money online, and I wish I knew this earlier because you don't actually have to sell any products, you don't need to have your own website, and you don't need any social media followers to start, and you would be paid anywhere from $5 to $10 every single time you do this. And I will actually show you how to set up a system that will pretty much get everything done for you kind of passively. So the step number 1 is to go over to Gemini.com. This is a free Google app like ChatGPT. Ask it very politely, "Dear Google Gemini," based on the best data and information that Google actually has, because this is Google's app. You want to ask it for the most popular book categories that people are interested in. Now bear in mind again that this entire strategy will not make you a millionaire, it will not make you rich or anything, but it's a good side hustle and it's really fast to get started. Now basically just choose one of these book categories. Let's say I'm going to go with a fantasy genre, and then you just want to tell it, "Thanks, now please provide me with top 10 books in this genre," and it's going to give us like the top books. Let's say I'm going to go with this book, The Name of the Wind, so step number 3 is to take this prompt right over here that I'm going to share with you in a second, and I'm going to tell you where to copy and paste it. But basically for this step you would head over to ChatGPT and you will tell it that it should write, for example, 2,000 words blog post that's going to be titled Summary of that book. Now in this case my book is The Name of the Wind, and then you can take the author name just directly from Google. So I'm going to copy this and paste it into here, and you want to use the exact keyword, which is the book title, at least once every 500 words. And now based on this it's going to start writing this entire book summary. So for the very next step you could sign up to VSub or similar tools. This is the one that I use, but you don't have to use the same one. There's a lot of alternative ones in case you don't want to use it, but essentially you can just get started for completely free. It allows you to generate these short videos with just one press of a button. So step number 5 is to go back to ChatGPT and tell it to simply use that entire summary that it wrote to me earlier, and with the help of that summary write a compelling and short story that we would then use. And it starts off with a hook. As you can see, it's a really good prompt. And by the way, all the prompts used in this video can be found in the description, so you guys can easily take the prompt and copy from there. So step number 6 is to go back to VSub, click on the login button after signing up, and then just click on AI video. Then select the comic style, scroll down to the transcript, go back to ChatGPT, and now that you have this entire script you just want to copy and paste it and remove these parts like body and introduction, etc. And once you're done you can just click on continue, and now VSub will start generating this entire video. Step number 7 is to sign up to Canva and then use one of these templates to create a promo design. This is the one that I made, where I basically just said that this is going to be like a free book, and then I also uploaded a cover image. Here's another example template that I've used to create basically just a promo design for completely free, and once I'm done designing I just click share, click download, and I just download this as a PNG file, which is like an image. Step number 8 is to find an affiliate program for these books. There's one available at Rakuten Kobo, and they are paying up to 5 or 10% commissions on all of these different books that they have available. So you can just sign up for completely free right over here, or you can also go to Scrib Affiliate Program, which is available on Post Affiliate Pro. So you would basically just click on Scribd to fill a program that's like Audible alternative, where you can just go directly to Audible, which pays $5 when someone sign ups for free. And we can give away this book for free, so you just want to click on become an affiliate to sign up for free. So next thing you can do is go to vocal.media, which is this platform where people are sharing different stories. So you want to click on create a story, you want to add a title, and the title is essentially just going to be the title that Gemini has generated, which is the summary of this book. So I'm going to paste it right over here. In terms of the subtitle, I'm essentially just going to use the first sentence from the introduction. I'm going to paste it right over here, and now I will copy the blog article that Gemini has generated for me and paste here. You also want to make sure that you do have an image from Canva, so click on select the file and just upload that promo design. So basically when someone is reading this summary they can see that they can get this free book, and below I'm just going to add a call to action, which is essentially going to say click here to get this book for free on Audible, because again Audible pays me $5 when someone gets a book for completely free when they sign up for a free trial, which gives them 2 books for free essentially, and as you can see this book is available on Audible. So all I get to do is copy my affiliate link and then just insert my affiliate link right over here. So click on link and paste that here. And now this is clickable, so I'm going to make it bold and I'm going to copy that and paste it in between multiple lines, so while someone is reading this summary they might actually sign up for this for free and I can get commission for that. Now besides that, you would also have to find a YouTube video which talks about the summary of this book, so you can just go to YouTube and search for the book summary, click on the share button, copy the link to one of these YouTube videos and just paste the link here as an embed. So you're going to need that and basically just press enter and it's going to show up right over here. Once you're done you can just click on save changes, because you would need some content. You would need the subtitle image and the actual video embed, and that's going to start saving and we can submit it for a review. And to submit it for a review, basically just click on this button right over here to go live. Either way, I really hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, drop a like and I will see you next time.